You should be able to feel safe wherever you are. But when your nearest and dearest aren't by your side, it's understandable to start feeling vulnerable. The Personal Help Alarm from Pyronix has been designed to give users an easy way to alert friends and family of a distressing and potentially threatening situation. This feature, which is already built into the HomeControl2.0 app, allows users to create their own personal help alarm bubble of family and friends. When the user presses the SOS button on the app, the phone will send a push notification to other members' devices in that bubble, along with the user's geolocation. The receiver then has the option to let the user know that they have received the notification and are on their way. Take comfort in your own security bubble with the Personal Help Alarm from Pyronix.